Hi, I'm Ben Mundy. This is FabLab Plymouth at Plymouth College of Art. This lab is all about digital design and manufacturing. In here you can learn all sorts of 2D and 3D CAD, computer-aided design software, things like Autodesk Fusion 360, Rhinoceros 6 and many more. You can also access all our 3D printers, our laser cutters, waterjet cutter, vinyl cutters, CNC machines and 3D scanners. In the Fab Lab, we have a maximum capacity of 20 students per workshop. When workshops aren't running, students can come in and use the laptops, which have a range of pre-installed software on them. We have 6 members of staff in the Fab Lab, so at any one time there'll be at least one member of staff here that'll be able to answer your questions. Most of your interaction with the Fab Lab will be organised through the timetable system. If you want to book a one-to-one consultation with one of the experts at the Fab Lab, please use the online college booking system. Here in the Fab Lab, all of our processes have specific health and safety requirements, and we will go into detail when you have your full inductions in those processes. Most of the machines are interlocked. That means they have doors. When they're open, the machine stops. In the event of a fire alarm at the Fab Lab, please use one of the nearest 2 exits and make your way to the designated assembly point. If you want to find out more about the processes at the Fab Lab, you can go to the FabLab website, fablabplymouth.org. You can also email us at fablab@pca.ac.uk.